Click on the subscribe button and notification to get all our latest videos.
Hello, good day. My name is Simon Uzoma. Welcome once again to our channel, Simtech Properties. This is the update of the building we are building in a Shoprite at Ibeju Lekki. I think I showed us how we started to the decking level. Right now, you can see that we are actually casting on it now, which is pouring cement to deck it. So you can see our workers working on the site. We use our machine in order to cast the decking. Okay, you can see, look at our workers. You can see what they are doing, putting the cement and everything to cast it to make it solid. We are in the decking level right now, and okay, you can see this is the final stage of it. You can see what we did here. Look the way it looked, very smooth and looks so good. Okay, right now we are done with decking. The decking is 100% complete. The next stage now is to start the block work, which is the building of the top. Okay, this is you can see the staircase to the top. Okay, this is the staircase. Okay, very soon we complete this project. I actually want to be giving us the update of the stage we are. Okay, last time I posted the last stage, which is the decking stage, which we have done the ironing and the bending of everything, iron bending of everything. And right now this is the casting stage. You can see what we did here. The cement, everything has been done, the decking has been done, and it looks so good and so beautiful. So the next stage now is the top. Okay, I'll be updating us on how it goes. At the end of it, we're going to see a beautiful building, a mansion. This building is so wonderful and so beautiful. By the time we finish, I will give us the update of everything that you need to know about this building. This is a 4-wing duplex in Ibeju Lekki, Shoprite precisely. Okay, we are done with the decking. The next stage right now is to start the top, and before you know it, we're done with the building. I'm giving us the details of everything from foundation to the finishing level, how much it costs to build this kind of building, the challenges we have, the approving of the building, the structural drawing, the electrical drawing, everything that you need to know about this building. I'll be giving us the update. By the time we finished, everything will be wonderful and cool. Hope you enjoy this wonderful update. I want you to click on our subscription button and subscribe to our channel. In this channel, you'll be getting the best information when it comes to building and anything else to build real estate and other things. Thank you.
Click on the subscribe button and notification to get all our latest videos.